Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel. With Mother's Day just around the corner, I wanted to share some creative ideas that you can use to show your love and appreciation for your mother. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make two beautiful and heartfelt Mother's Day crafts. First, I'll be making a 3 picture photo frame that will allow you to display some of your favorite memories with mom. And then I'll be showing you how to make an adorable handprint painting that's perfect for kids of all ages. I'll be taking you through each step of the process. So, even if you are not that craftiest person, you'll be able to follow along and create something truly special. Whether you're making these crafts for your own mom or for a special mother figure in your life, they are sure to be treasured for years to come. So, let's get started and make some beautiful DIY Mother's Day gifts. So first I'm taking an A4 size paper and using acrylic colors I'll be making some patterns with just my fingers. So pick any two colors of your choice, add some drops of that color onto the paper and just work with your finger, mix them, create a pattern or just fill the whole paper the way you want to. You could get messy over here, that is fine. So like this I'm going to prepare 3 different color combination. So this is the first one. For the second one also the same technique but just a different color combination. So for this one I took green and blue and just made some swirls with it. So this is what I got. And then finally I'll be creating my third pattern again the same way. So the object here is to just have fun. Choose your favorite colors, just work with your finger, no brush needed. You don't have to worry about being wrong or right. You're just creating a love filled gift for your mother. So just go create some beautiful patterns with either your favorite colors or her favorite colors. Now for the final one, I'm taking violet and magenta. So here again, I thought of creating some random lines using this color. So this is what I am doing. You can do something different too. Once your prints are completely dried up, make these beautiful cutouts with them. This is the prompts we are going to use for the photograph. Now you have to take your own picture holding these cutouts. I made my son hold them and I clicked his picture. See how cute they look. They are all personalized and they're saying their message. Now the next step is to cut these pictures out of these. You have to cut yourself out of the pictures and create these kind of cutouts. We'll be using these in our final photo frame. Next, you're going to need 3 white color paper for preparing the base and 3 black color paper, which are a little bigger than the white color paper so that it looks like a frame for the photograph. So by doing this, cutting out the background of the picture, your focus goes directly on you and the cutouts that you prepared. Now for preparing the base of the photo frame, I'm using a red color cardstock. Again, it's up to you. You can choose any color that you like. And this is again the same acrylic paper prints that we made. So I'm using that cutout for creating the front of the card. You can customize it in any other manner that you like. But I wanted to use these papers, so this is how I'm going to go ahead with it. The next step is to fold this card in 3 parts. So you need to divide this cardstock with 2 lines which are equally placed on it and then fold on those lines. So this is how it is going to look. Now you can stick that hand acrylic painted paper on top and your base of the card is finally ready. This is how it is going to open up, and now is the time to paste our pictures inside this frame. So as we prepared these pictures earlier, you're going to arrange them on the photo frame, use a glue stick, use a double-sided tape, and just stick them on the inside part of the card. And this is how your final personalized Mother's Day card is ready. You can actually stand it on table and leave it for your mom to discover, or you can just give it to her. She is going to love this, and I'm sure you're going to have a lot of fun creating this. Now with this, we can start with the second project, which is a handprint painting for your mom. So for this, I'm taking a bigger paper. This is an A3 size paper because it's going to have a print of your hand, and we're going to use the same cutouts that we created for the photo frame for making a flower pot over here. Arrange the cutout at the base of the paper in a way that it looks like a flower pot, and using acrylic colors, and again I'm going to use help from my son. I'll add some colors on his hand for creating that handprint. Now these colors again could be any color that you like or your mother like. You can use 2 or 3 colors. Add some drops of that colors on your hand in any pattern. You don't have to worry about getting messy. This craft is all about getting messy and creating something beautiful out of it. So don't worry about getting messy. That's perfectly fine. So okay, so here I'm taking magenta, I'm taking white, and I'm taking a little bit of violet. Because my pot is red and orange and yellow, greens and blue, so I thought to use some different color for the flower. So that's the only reason I'm using these colors. Also, they look so pretty together. Use a brush and then spread those colors on your fingers and palm. It's fine if it is not evenly spread. It's fine if you feel that you need more color. Go ahead, add some few more drops. Once you're happy with that, you're going to press your hand on the top center of the paper in a way that it looks like a blooming flower. Now gently lift your hand. Be careful as the paint is still wet. Don't touch your dress with this because it's acrylic paint. Your dress will be spoiled. So see how cute this hand printed flower looks like. Now is the time to paste the flower pot. If you have a sibling, you can use their hand also and create one more small tiny hand printed flower over here. That is going to look so cute. Okay, so now once the pot has been pasted, what I'm doing here is using my sketch pens or brush pens, whatever you have, you can create a stem, and here I wrote I love you. My handwriting is not that good, but I tried. So that's a message you can write when you're drawing the stem. Now working with the same brush pens, I'm making these leaves using light green and dark green. You can work with watercolors or again with acrylics, that's up to you. But look how shiny these brush pens are. So I just thought of creating these leaves with the brush pen itself. See how cute this looks. And that message, it looks as if you're saying that, Mama, I'm growing with your love. I'm sure you're going to have a lot of fun creating these two crafts, and your mom is going to be more than happy when you give them as a gift to her. So with this, we come to the end of this video, and I hope you liked and enjoyed this video. And if you did, do give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe for more such fun videos.